Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to walk you through how much Spotify paid me for 117,000 streams. So basically in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how much you could literally make from 117,000 streams. I'm also going to walk you through the breakdown, the countries, and basically everything you need to know about how I was able to make the money. So basically the distributor I use in distributing my song is literally Tonko. So I'll be looking into my Tonko right now to show you guys how much I made from 117,000 streams. So you can see right here, I'm literally on my Tonko dashboard, and basically I just withdrew the money, so I don't really have much in my balance right here. So let me head over to the view analytics. So you can see right here I have 117,000 streams, and literally I was paid $300. And you need to know that most of the streams right here are coming from the United States, basically. So most of the streams are coming from the United States. I'm going to say it's one song that actually made the most amount of money from my catalog. I can see the song actually has 74,000 streams, and this song literally made $283. So that actually means that if I actually did the math, so if you head over to our calculator right here, and we had literally divided $283 divided by 74,000 streams, that's roughly 0.3 cents per stream. So basically if you're getting streams from the US, just expect you're going to be getting 0.3 cents per streams. And also this also depends on the distributor, because some distributors do pay low than others. So because I've tried out other distributors like Soundon, like because I feel like Soundon payouts are more low. So for those of you using Soundon, you might literally get a very low payout, because you need to know that streams, we can literally make the same amount of streams and basically we might not get paid equally. So sometimes it's very complicated when it comes to like the royalty payouts and all of that. But like I said, most of the streams right here are coming from the US. So if you actually head over to the lifetime report, let me quickly show you, you're gonna see that most of the streams are coming from US. So let me quickly just filter that. Okay, so I'm coming, let me scroll down a little bit. And by the way, if you are finding any value from the video so far, do want to give the video a like, and so smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about walking you through how to promote your music and everything you know about the music business. So if you know that's something you're interested in, do want to give the video a like and smash that subscribe button. So you can see right here that the streams are coming from Spotify. Most of the streams literally came from Spotify. So you can see most of the streams literally came from Spotify, which is about 107,000 streams. So I was literally paid 298 for that. So if you head over to the country right here, you're gonna see the breakdown. So you can see right here the top country right here is the United States. So literally I have about 56,000 streams from the United States, and I was paid $228. So as you can see right here, you can see the breakdown. Canada, I was paid for 14,000 streams. I was paid $55 right here. So you can see right here, this is the breakdown. South Africa, Nigeria is the most worst. So you can see right here that I have over 26,000 streams from Nigeria, and literally I was paid 2.1 cents, which is so crazy. So if you're literally getting streams from any African country, expect you're going to be getting a very low payout. And also when it comes to streaming revenue, or when it comes to royalty in general, the distributor you're using also play a very crucial role, because I feel like some distributor cannot pay less per streams. So depending on the distributor you use, because basically I've been trying to explore a lot of distributors, and I've used a couple of distribution platforms, Soundon, Tonko. I feel like Tonko and 1RPM too also have the same payout, and also Soundon, I don't know, their payout is quite low, because I literally withdrew $50 from there yesterday, and basically the payout is quite low, because I had about what's it called, almost I think I had about, let me quickly log into my Soundon account. You can see I'm log into my Soundon account. So you can see right here, I'm in my Soundon account, and I'm in the royalty section. You can see right here that one of my songs made about like $40, one made about $10 and all of that. So if I actually go through the stats, I noticed that I was literally paid low, because I don't really know why. That's why I always advise artists that stop using free music distribution company, because if you're actually using a free music distribution company, you are literally going to be paid very low. What I'm going to advise you as an artist, as an independent label, always use a paid distribution company like Tonko, Vibmel, DistroKid. And also if you're going to be using DistroKid, you need to be aware of the tax, because basically on Tonko, basically Tonko don't really take tax right here, because they're going to be withdrawing to your Payoneer account. So you can see I have 25,000 streams right here, and I was literally paid $40, which is so low, which is so bad. And some of the streams right here are coming from the United States. So you can see right here, some of the streams are coming from the United States right here. So basically that's what I just feel like I should share with you guys. So if you know you want to withdraw on any distribution company, 1RPM, Tonko, DistroKid, or whatever distribution company you're using, and you're having issues withdrawing, you can always reach out to me. I could always help you to withdraw, because yes, basically I do help people withdraw money from various distribution company. And also, if you know you would like to promote your music, basically I do promote artist song basically, so you can always reach out to me, and basically I'll be able to promote your music for you. My phone number are gonna be down in the video description, so if you know you want to hit me up, you can literally hit me up, and I'm also gonna be dropping my phone number in the video description. So guys, if you know you found the video helpful, please do also give the video a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video.